The Salunki bird, commonly known as the Myna. It has one of the most expressive and heart-touching voices among urban and rural birds. If you have ever heard that cheerful chatter in the morning or those sudden sharp notes at dusk, that's probably the Myna calling sound filling the air. Its tone changes with mood, sometimes soft and melodic, other times loud and commanding, as if it's having a lively conversation with its mate or warning others about a nearby intruder. The Myna bird sound is more than just music to the ears. It's a language of emotion. Each chirp, whistle, or quack holds meaning, from courtship calls to alert signals. In many places, people love recording the Myna bird video just to capture its fascinating expression and lively communication style. When this bird sings in the rain or calls from a rooftop, creates a sense of warmth and familiarity that connects deeply with the human emotion. The Myna chirping sound is also known for its rhythmic pattern. Early in the morning, you might hear a pair of Mynas responding to each other in perfect harmony, almost like a duet performance. Their intelligent mimicry often surprises people. The Salunki bird's voice can imitate human sounds or even the tunes of other birds. This ability adds a playful charm, making every Myna video song a delight to watch. So, in every note of its voice, the Salunki carries the spirit of nature, free, expressive, and alive. Whether you are listening to a single Myna calling sound echoing through your garden or watching a Myna bird video online, its vibrant personality and cheerful tone never fail to bring joy and connection with the natural world.